Okay, just got home from Hy-Vee, and Ike wanted a early man piece of meat. So let's see what I got for him. Are you happy with that, Ike? It's called a ribeye tomahawk or tomahawk ribeye.
I'm kind of in love, actually. All right, sizzling it up.
All right, let's see how you cook that.
All right.
Bad boy.
Love it. Okay.
Ed.
So my plan is to chop up some garlic, get it into the meat, and then do the seasoning after that. So I want some, because I'm just going to it'll sit for probably, I'd say, 4 hours before I cook it. You don't have to do what I do. This is cooking with Ike.
Oops.
And Ike is a special guy.
You're so stupid.
Yeah, all right. Okay, so now I'm going to make some rolls in this. I think I got enough fat here to give me a heart attack tomorrow probably. That's the plan anyway. Heck with it. I'll live a long, good life. Flip it around. What to do with this bone, Kerry?
I have no idea.
So now the question is what to do with this bone after I eat this meat, right?
Take it to Jazzy Boo.
Oh man. Now this was sitting in the butcher area, or where did you get it from?
Yep, Hy-Vee meat counter.
Meat counter, okay. Didn't I tell you to go to Safeway?
Okay, first off, it's not Safeway, it's Fairway,
Oh, sorry.
and they're not open on Sundays.
Why not?
Do you want me to say?
No, please. All right, so that's that. Let me wash my hands. All right, back to Okay, so a little bit of Maggi. If you don't know what Maggi is, it's I'll show you now a little bit. It's kind of expensive. You gotta have some money to buy this shit.
Oh.
It's $14.95 for the bottle. And a little bit of Knorr liquid. No. Don't listen to Ike, just do it your way. Some black pepper.
Yeah.
Okay. Season the bouillon.
We know you'll move on.
Let's see, what else do we have here? Can't have none.
Lowry's.
No. And you don't want to. Here's
Aren't
the
you
thing,
putting
though.
salt on it?
No, that's the thing.
Oh,
Okay, these things have enough salt in it. Not too much salt, but it's got enough salt in it that I wouldn't really put any additional salt, right? Unless you're aiming for high blood pressure. But I would, with this and this, that's enough salt. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do.
I think you have enough with that quality of steak. You really don't need that much.
Kelly,
more.
try not to bother me when I'm trying to cook. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. Press this all in and flip this around. Whoops, and I'm gonna do the same thing. Now, don't forget I have my garlic situation going already, so I gotta wash my hands. And here's the funny thing about this huge early man beef. I shouldn't be eating beef because my cholesterol, even though I've got it down to like 160, 170, 100, somewhere, it used to be like 220, something like that.
You're down to 189, Ike.
How's Kelly? I thought it was 160. But anyway, so every once in a while you should treat yourself. And we early men. Where was I? Okay. Again, I'm going to do the same thing that was on the other side, on this side. Hope I'm not speaking too fast because I tend to do that, you know. But slow the.
Slow the mo.
This is in the bowl. Where was I? Oh, a little bit of Maggi. Love this stuff, man. We should use it in Nigeria. The stuff is good stuff. If you don't have it, go buy it.
You need to get it at Asian market.
I get it at Asian market. I think even Hy-Vee has it. You know?
Yeah, but it's more expensive at Hy-Vee.
Yeah, you know, like I said, you know, a couple of dollars difference.
And they only have a tiny little bottle.
Yeah, well, it's run by Americans. They're tiny. All right, here we go.
Oh, talk about alienating your audience.
Whoops, sorry. Okay. I love this stuff, man. See, it's got a fresh, what do we call it? Peppercorn grinder thing, you know? Heck of a deal. I love it. And it's got 3 settings, so you can make it, you know, bigger, medium, and small. Good stuff. All right, so I'm going to wrap this up. And it'll go back in the fridge for, I'd say, probably about 3 hours.
You want to cook that room temperature.
For 3 hours. I wish you would, Kelly, this is my cooking show. So, I'm going to wrap this up. You are a problem. A bad videographer. Is that what they call it?
Oh, my
video
goodness.
person. I don't know what it's called. So, I'm going to wrap this up. I'm going to put it in the fridge outside, because this one is full. And I'd say 2 hours, 3 hours, it's up to you. And they should give me enough time to plan if I should use the oven or maybe fire up my grill outside or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out.
There is an ice storm coming.
Screw the ice storm. Okay. All right, so it's been about 3 hours, 4 hours. I don't know. What?
Yes.
Something like that. 3 hours. So now what we're gonna do is this.
Okay.
So I am going to get this on the. What a mess! Oh, sorry. There it is. The tomahawk. Let's put this back.
Oops. There.
All right, so here we are. Wow.
Oh wow, it fits.
They have it.
All right.
So we'll wait. How long will this take, Kelly? Do you think?
Maybe 7 minutes aside, if that.
Okay. Well, we'll see.
Okay.
We'll see. All right. All right.
Okay, you can move mine out of the way and then turn it. There we go. Ah! Quit mauling my steak. All right.
All right. So, to me, what I do? Oh my goodness.
Look at that beauty.
Looks pretty. Oh, it's a beauty. Yes. I think we should cover it and then kind of rest because it's going to rest for 15 minutes.
All right, get some foil out.
All right. So why don't we do that? And our good friend Sandy gave this to us. It's the perfect. We love this. As long as I cut your finger off, but you know. So now watch this. Beautiful. Okay. Okay, so let this rest for a little bit and then we'll see how it goes. Alright.
Here we go. Where do you begin?
I have no idea. It's a thing of beauty. And so,
That knife's not very sharp.